Kwasanu Shamash. Wanikshash Kasamwai, Ichishkin, Kunashwa, Pashtin Wiki Wanik, Levina Wilkins. Stawachishanash, Awatampa. Yanchi Nashwa, Saluskan, Smart Lawit. Go Bawacha. Taminwa Ichishkin Sunwit. My name is Kasamwai Ichishkin in our language. I grew up along the Yakama River, which they call Awatam, which means a section of deep water. I grew up there on the Saluskan Ranch. My elders were the Smartlaws, the Saluskans, Cushai, and my other grandma didn't have an English name. It was just in the language. To the young people, I would say, learning especially who you are and what is special about you. The Creator put us here for a reason, and there are so many reasons. And I'm only one in so many thousand here. Our reservation is large. We consist of what's recorded 14 different tribes and bands, which each one has their own language. I speak Wanachapun, Taitnapun. My dad used to speak Salish, and those are the two that I combine a little bit of Huashwaipum, which is the bluebird country. So everything in our language is more or less described. Excuse me. And teaching is matter of fact to the young people, especially the girls. Your body is sacred. Your children are born into a sacred life. You respect, you honor, you're humble in the eyes of our Creator. So I'm so honored to be able to share and spread the word. I teach our Yakama language virtues, which I feel is very important to the young people. You teach about your body, developmental stages, and it goes on and on. Your hair, everything that you have to keep healthy, our food. So we all have a similar way of learning about Earth. We were taught water is sacred, the essence of life. Your food, the pure food that your body needs, and how it nourishes your body. Your duty as women and what it is you have to be strong in. There's so much to teach, so much to share.
Inknashwaniksha, Moches, Pashtin Wiki, Leslie Swan, Natutas, Nick Swan, Naithla, Vicky Arquette Casasica, Mianashma, Vanessa, Layla, Kira, Carmine, and Asher. Good day. My name is Leslie Swan. My Indian name is Mojes. Doesn't have a specific meaning, but it was passed on to me, and I continue to carry on the name of a hard worker, a food gatherer for my people. I am a birth justice advocate and doula on the Yakama Reservation. I was born here and raised in White Swan, Washington, and it's just at the base of the bottom of the Cascade Mountain. We have our sacred mountain, Mount Adams, which we call by the name of Pato, which overlooks Yakama Reservation. And that is where I come from. I love serving my people in birth work and in just, I'm also a community seamstress. I've been very culturally active my entire life as a food gatherer for a longhouse. Me and Levina Wilkins, we had the opportunity to work together a few different times I am super excited about the work that we're going to be doing. Such a good time in her life too, this golden age where she has so much knowledge and education to share with younger generations, and I'm just blessed that I'm going to be able to capture that and hopefully carry some of that on for her. So my message to young women, young Indigenous women of this generation would be to definitely, I think, connecting with who we are as Indigenous women is really important. It has been because of Levina sharing with me how important that connection with ourselves and knowing who we are and where we come from has helped me live a better life. And I continue to share that, even if that's just one teaching that I could share with young women, and that your body is sacred, and to, just take care of yourself in the best way possible for the future generations.